Imagine you buy something really expensive from a business website. Suddenly, you get an email from the seller that they need to confirm your credit card information because something went wrong. All of it would be great, except it's sent from Gmail. Would you trust it? Neither would I. That's why you need a professional look. So let me teach you how to create business email to make your business more trustworthy. Before I start the how to create business email tutorial, it's important to ask yourself, why is it crucial to have a business email? Well, it's not just the credibility, it's also the security. When you have a custom email, you get better protection against phishing, and it's way harder to impersonate a Gmail account. Besides, controlling your own brand identity is a major advantage if you want full autonomy without relying on Google or another provider. But can you have a business email for free? Well, no. A true and a professional business email require domains, which are paid. That's why I'll be using Hostinger to show you how to create a business email domain. It's my favorite provider that has some truly affordable options. Each hosting plan is already bundled with a certain number of professional email accounts and a free domain for a year. For this tutorial, we're going to be using Shared Hosting's business plan, since this way we'll get the most bang for our buck, especially if you click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen. You're going to get the best Hostinger discount there is. All right, let's get into this Hostinger business email tutorial. Once you have a plan, you're going to have to set up a custom domain. It's very important for you to pick a memorable domain name. Hostinger also has a domain name checker. It's a pretty useful tool, especially if you're dead set on a specific name. Then when you open your account, go to the email section where you'll see manage, then domain settings, and connect automatically. Also, Hostinger already pre-configures DNS settings, which is time-saving, especially if you're a beginner. Now, if you want to know how to make a business email on Gmail by connecting it to Hostinger, just go to the H panel, then emails, and then click on email import, and here you go. That's as easy as it can be. But if you want it the other way around, go to the H panel, then emails, and lastly, connect apps and devices. Important thing to mention though, that if you want to continue accessing your Hostinger email through Gmail after January 2026, you're going to need to add your Hostinger email account to the Gmail mobile app using IMAP. You can do that by going to your Gmail app and navigating to settings, then click add account, choose other, and enter your Hostinger email address, pick IMAP, and enter your email password. Then configure the incoming and afterwards the outgoing server, choose the account options, and lastly, finish your setup. Okay, to wrap everything up, it's fair to say that the first step in getting people to trust your business is a professional email. You don't need anything complicated, just a domain and the right setup. And with my discount, you can set up everything for a fraction of the full price. This way, you won't have to spend a small fortune for a business email. It's worth it, especially if you're a beginner. The email is super easy to set up and maintain with features like AI-powered webmail and tons, and I mean tons of integrations starting from Gmail and ending at Thunderbird. With Hostinger, you also get a free Reach subscription, which will be crucial in your email campaigns journey. So I hope you enjoyed this short how to create email for business tutorial. Make sure to like and subscribe and comment if you want more tutorials like this. Happy hosting. Bye.